Now I know I'm a little late in getting this, but finally I have got my hands on the Apple Watch Ultra, and I have the orange band over here. So both the things I've just got today, I am super excited. Let me put my remarkable on this side before we unbox this. So yep, you would have seen a lot of unboxing over here, but I am just super excited. I thought, why not? If I have got this, I would just do a quick unboxing. Later on I'm gonna use this and then tell you how, if I like this, what I don't like about it. So this is pretty much 49mm. So all the models are available in 49mm itself. So there's just one single model in Apple Watch Ultra. So yep, I've seen a lot of unboxings for this particular model. The packing for this is pretty different this time. They have kept the adventure in mind. So pretty much you have this mountain sort of thing, and the packing is very different. This is more of a rectangular packing this time. So they've got this this copy on the top which shows you different models of Apple Watch. Not sure, like I don't like it, but this is looks good. So they've got this manual thingy over here, and then they also have the usual documentation bit over here. Let's keep this aside. This is the actual Apple Watch over here, and then we have this trail loop. So I've ordered in this is trail loop, and I think this is black or something, like the dark color, the dark gray sort of color. So let's put this aside and let us open the Apple Watch. So I've got two loops over here, the trail loop, alpine loop, Apple Watch. As you can see, I am excited. And there it is, the Apple Watch, the chunky big Apple Watch. Oh man, this is huge. This is big. This is 49 mm in size. We have got this crown which is dug inside the side cavity. That's the action, that's the normal Apple Watch button, and we have got the orange colored action button on the other side. Now, if I compare the size with my current generation Apple Watch, so yep, it's not too much big, I would say. Now this one is, I think, 44 mm. This is 49 mm. Not too much of a difference. Let's open the band, put the band in, and then see. Let us start with the trail loop over here. The gray, I still don't know what the color is, but I'll call it the gray trail loop. They've got some instructions on the top as to how you can put the loop in, and we can take this out, and there it is. That's the trail loop over here. It's just difficult to get it out with one hand. Yep. Oh, it is pretty soft. I can say, like, the material is good. It's good, and I like this orange colored tab over here. So yep, that's the loop. Let's put it on the watch. There you go. That is the Apple Watch with trail loop on it, and it is heavy. It is heavy. I would say it's like, it's not too heavy, but definitely heavier than my original Apple Watch. And believe me, like the original Apple Watch, the original Apple Watch that I have, like this one, the one that I'm using right now, this is Apple Watch Series 5, and it's fast. Like Apple makes watches like which are really fast. Like this one is very fast. I absolutely don't need to change the Apple Watch. That's why, like, if they would have only launched Apple Watch Series 8, I would not have gone for the Apple Watch. But this is Apple Watch Ultra, and I absolutely want, when Apple launches something new, I just want it on my hands. So yep, we are ready to pair it with the iPhone. Let's bring my iPhone over here. Okay, as soon as the phone goes near the watch, we know, like, Apple just detects it. So yep, click continue, and it's just going to pair the watch. I'll set it up for myself, and yep, it's gonna say scan the thingy on the watch. Okay, so it detects after some time. Here's everything set up as you had on your other Apple Watch, which is the other one. Right, so yep, I can continue. So currently paired watch, everything is going to copy as is. I'll say yep, yes, just continue. I want everything set up as is on the new watch. So it's going to take some time, and then it's going to set everything on the new Apple Watch. So till now, yeah, Apple makes really good pairing experiences. If you are in the Apple ecosystem, getting a new device, getting a new iPhone, getting a new iPad, getting a new Apple Watch, and pairing it to your ecosystem, it's like fast, it's blazing fast, right? So it's just pairing it up, and within like 5 minutes, I'm sure I would be able to get this Apple Watch up and running. I'll use the watch for some time, and then I'll keep you posted with the latest that we have on this watch, and I'll give you my review of the 49mm Titanic ceramic case. Oh man, this is just beautiful. This is amazing. Looks beautiful. I'm excited. I'll go ahead, play with my watch. See you again in my next video. Bye.